Walter Taylor Johnson. I was born in East Texas on December 22nd, 1912. My nursemaid said she's as pretty as a ladybird, and the nickname stuck for life. My mother passed away when I was nearly 6. Here's a picture of me and my nursemaid, Alice Tittle, and a picture of the ladybird beetle. After I graduated from Marshall High School in 1928, I attended St. Mary's Episcopal School for Girls in Dallas from 1928 through 1930. I then enrolled to the University of Texas in Austin. I graduated in 1934 with a Bachelor of Arts in History and Journalism. This is a lovely picture of me when I was in college. I married a congressional secretary named Lyndon B. Johnson on November 1934. Later, on March 19, 1944, my first daughter was born. We decided to name her Linda Bird, even though her father wanted it to be Lady Bird. On July 2, 1947, we had our second daughter, Lucy. On November 22, 1963, I became the 36th First Lady of the United States because President Kennedy was killed and my husband was the Vice President. On December 7, 1963, I moved into the White House with my family. This is a picture of me as First Lady and my husband as President. I decided to lead the efforts of passing the Highway Beautification Act in 1965. My husband said, "Beauty belongs to all the people." He signed the bill and gave the first pen to me, and I could tell he was very proud of me. In 1982, I founded an organization to protect and preserve plants in North America. This was named the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center, which you can still see today. In 2006, it became an organized research center for the University of Texas in Austin. I lived a wonderful life as a daughter, wife, and mother, including one of the First Ladies of the United States of America. I passed away on July 11, 2007, and will always be known as Lady Bird Johnson.
And a beautiful lady that we can thank for beautifying Texas. Julia.